Starting the character map with Edward Tudor, the Prince of Wales. He is the loving prince of everybody. He has been long awaited by everybody in the country because the country didn't have a true inheritance after King Henry VIII. So let's see who are the important characters around him. The first one is King Henry, the loving father of Edward, and he is the King of England. He was a very caring and loving father, but during the course of the story, he dies leaving crown to Edward Tudor. But unfortunately, at that time Edward Tudor in exile, he was at the other side of the country, switching his identity with another person. So we'll discuss about that later. So the other close person to Edward Tudor in his exile is Miles Hendon. Miles Hendon is also an outcast. He was banished from his family after a long period of suffering. He is returning to inherit his inheritance. So on the way he sees Edward Tudor, and Edward Tudor is in trouble because he has switched his identity and people have started teasing him. Some have started teasing him and try to attack him. In the meantime, Miles Hendon intervenes and rescues Edward Tudor. Because of that, he has become a friend to Edward and he protects Edward Tudor in many occasions. Because of that, Miles Hendon gets the opportunity to sit before the king. These are the other close relatives of Edward Tudor: Lady Elizabeth, Lady Mary, and Lady Jane Grey. Lady Elizabeth and Lady Mary are his half-sisters. Lady Jane Grey is the cousin. These Lady Elizabeth and Lady Mary are very important characters in the story, especially Lady Elizabeth. Lady Elizabeth helps Tom Canty in many occasions. Another special thing is this Lady Elizabeth has become the Queen of England, considered as a loving Queen of England. So the other character related to the prince or pauper in exile, the hermit. This hermit thinks he is an archangel and he hates the king because he was banished from his monastery, and because of that he thinks that he couldn't be the pope. So because of that he tries to kill Edward Tudor, but he fails. So let's see the other important character and the other main character, that is Tom Canty. Tom Canty is the person whom Edward Tudor switched his identity. So Tom Canty became the prince, Edward Tudor became the pauper. We see the important characters around Tom Canty. The first person we see is John Canty, his father. John Canty is an abusive father. He always thrashes and bullies Tom Canty, and he is a thief, and eventually he kills Father Andrew and becomes a criminal. So other characters around him, his mother and his twin sister Bet and Nan, and grandmother. His mother and Bet and Nan are very caring family members who look after Tom Canty very well. And when it comes to switch identities, Edward Tudor is also cared by mother and these two sisters. On the other hand, his grandmother is a drunkard and he also joins John Canty to bully Tom Canty and his family members. The other most important character is Father Andrew. Father Andrew has become a life force to Tom Canty's life. Because of Father Andrew, Tom Canty started behaving like a prince. Father Andrew teaches Tom Canty to read and write, and even he teaches Latin to Tom Canty. Because of Father Andrew's teaching, Tom Canty started reading and started dreaming and imagination. Because of that, he had a way to escape from his troublesome life. So other two main characters when he is in the palace, Lord Hertford and Lord St. John. They are the Lord Protectors appointed by the King. The King Henry thought Tom Canty, when he is disguised as the prince is mad because of excessive learning. Because of that, he appointed Lord Hertford and Lord St. John to take care of him. The other important character is Humphrey Marlowe. Humphrey Marlowe is the whipping boy of Edward Tudor. Whipping boy is the person who takes the punishment of the prince. If the prince does a mistake or something, Humphrey Marlowe gets the punishment. The reason is nobody can touch the prince. That is the royal right of a prince. This Humphrey Marlowe helped Tom Canty to behave like a prince. So he gives some information about the family and how to behave as a royal person. So because of that, Humphrey Marlowe is a very good friend and a companion to Tom Canty when he is disguised as the prince. So if we further move, there are two main important characters for Miles Hendon, that is Hugh Hendon and Lady Edith. Hugh Hendon is the brother of Miles Hendon and Lady Edith, the beloved of Miles Hendon. But his cunning brother cheats everybody and inherits everything belongs to Miles Hendon. There are some more other minor characters related to the story, but knowing these characters will be very helpful for you to read the novel and understand the story.